Instagram updates and features you need to know right now. If you're still using Instagram the way you were using it last year, you're already behind. There are new updates and features that are making small creators blow up and go viral right now. And trust me, just a few people are using it yet, and I'm going to be putting you on this update. That is exactly what this video is going to be about. So make sure to watch this video to the very end so you can learn all the updates and features you can utilize to your own advantage and start going viral and growing on Instagram right now. Hey tea sippers, welcome to Social Media Tea, the ultimate spot where we spill the tea on all things social media, business growth and entrepreneurship. Level up your game with the hottest tips, insider secrets and guest interviews. Grab your virtual copy right now and get ready for some epic insights and fun vibes. Don't forget to hit the follow or subscribe button so you never miss an episode again. Now let's quickly dive in. Number 1, on-screen text teleprompter in Edit. This feature is in the Edit app. So what is this feature? While editing your reel on Edit app, you can use an inbuilt teleprompter to be able to display your script and start recording. So if you're someone that always forget about your script, you always have anxiety when you're creating content, and that is one of your biggest challenge, you can be able to use this feature and display your script, then be reading it while you are actually creating the video. This is going to make it easy for you not to forget your script and not to keep going over and over again and creating your content. This is actually a great feature because most content creators go for a third-party app to actually get this done. But now Instagram have brought it to your doorstep so you can leverage it and create better content in the easiest way possible. How can you use this feature? Write your script or outline on Instagram. The text will be scrolling while you record. This is going to make you stay organized, focused, and create your content in the easiest way possible. Pro tip here, make sure to use this for educational content, storytelling. This is going to make it easy for you not to forget your script and create the content, give all the value that you have. To be real, I'm really excited for this feature because I'm going to be trying it a lot out. You already know I create a lot of content as a social media manager, and I know it's going to make it easier for me and you, so make sure to try it out. Number 2, try a reel. You cannot test a reel before posting it to know whether it's going to perform well, and when you see that it's performing well, you can post it. Now, what do Instagram do? When you post a trial reel, Instagram is going to take that your reel and show it only to non-followers. This is an easier way for you to gain followers, for you to increase your following, for you to go viral and all of that. So when this trial reel performs well, you can now ask Instagram to post it for your followers to see. So this is a good way for you to test out your reel to see if it's going to perform well. If it performs well, you can show it to your audience. But at the same time, it's a win-win situation, getting you in front of people that are not following you. And also, you can still post it for your followers to see when the content has performed well. So this is actually very good for you to test your reel to know which one is performing well and which one is not. A lot of people are going viral using this, and trust me, you do not want to miss out. It is very easy. I even recommend that you start reposting your previous videos on the trial reel to see how it's going to perform. Maybe if it gets in front of non-followers, you're going to get more followers from those values. I have seen it working for a lot of new creators. I've seen it working for small creators, and I know it's going to work for you as well. How can you use this trial reel? You can use it by trying 2 or 3 different videos with 2 different hooks, captions, checking the one that performs well. And then the one that performs well, you can tell that is what your audience or your new followers are loving. Then you can publish it for more people to see, for your followers to see as well. Now, why does this matter? It tells you what is hurting your reach and how to fix it. This is going to make you grow faster on Instagram because once you figure out your problem, your solution is going to be easy to come back. As a social media manager, I really love this feature because I know it's going to be a very big game changer for anyone that is trying to grow on Instagram right now. Now, how can you use this? Post and check for feedback from Instagram. Make sure to adjust your cover, your caption, or even re-edit it when Instagram have given you feedback so that your post can perform even better. Number 4, 2x speed editing. This is actually one of my favorite parts of this whole feature and update. Now you can watch videos by putting it on 2 times, making it play faster, especially when you're watching a long form video, something educational. It is going to make it easy for you to consume it at a higher speed without you wasting your time and at the same time getting the value. And what does this mean for you as a creator? It would also make it easier for your followers or anybody watching your content to watch your content till the end because now they can put it on a 2 times speed. So if you want to use this feature on your Instagram, go to the right-hand corner of your screen and hold it. Then it's going to easily speed up your video for you, making it easy for you to consume that content faster to the very end. Another feature you're going to love is the repost feature. This is number 5. You know that feature that TikTok already has, you can repost people's content. Instagram have brought it to Instagram, and I really love it. So let's say you saw a content that you really love, you can be able to repost it for your followers to see. So they are running out these features accordingly, and I really love it because there are some content you can see and you love. On Instagram, before now, you cannot repost it, but now you can be able to repost it, and your followers can even see that you reposted that kind of video, and they might also learn from it. Number 6, share and save matters more than likes. come closer. This is a very important feature because a lot of people are always like so crazy about like my content. And much as liking your content is important, but when your content gets more saves and share, it's going to signal Instagram algorithm that your content is good, that people really love it, and then they will go ahead and push it out to more people. So instead of you to be looking for like telling people to like your post, you can use that energy and tell people to save this for more, or like for them to repost it to their timeline, or repost it for their followers, or share it to people that they really care about. Now, when they are sharing, when they are like reposting, you are going to like get seen because Instagram algorithm is going to take it like, okay, people are enjoying your content, so they will recommend your videos to more people. So save and share is more important than like right now. You have to keep that in mind. Now, how do you use this feature? Make sure at the end of your video, you always tell people to save your video, to repost it. This is going to increase your chances of like getting people to actually take action. That is why you need to always use call to action in your content. So in your call to action, that is when you are going to tell people, save this video for later, or repost this, or share this with anyone you believe is going to find it helpful. That is exactly how you are going to like get more saves and share, and then your content will signal the algorithm that is performing well, and the algorithm will keep recommending your content to more people, and that is exactly how you can go viral. Number 10 is 10 seconds watching ranking. Instagram now pushes your reel that holds attention for 10 seconds. Let's say you publish a reel right now that people watched it for more than 10 seconds. The moment it's more than 10 seconds, Instagram will push out your reels to more people, believing that people are really enjoying your content. That is why they watched it up to like more than that 10 seconds. Why does this matter? You have to make sure that when you're creating content, you make sure that it's very engaging for people to watch it more than 10 seconds, because the more they watch it more than 10 seconds, the more Instagram recommends your video to more people. And that is how going viral happens. So if you really want to go viral, you have to take this feature more seriously. How can you use this? Make sure to use catchy hook to stop the scroll, to make people actually watch your video to the end. And always go straight to the point. Don't beat around the bush so that people don't get bored at the beginning and leave. So the moment they're watching your video up to 10 seconds, best believe Instagram is going to keep recommending your content to more people. The next one is AI tag features in DMs. This feature is still coming, so I need to know about it. This feature is going to help you automate tags, reminder, collab note inside the DM. So why does this matter? This feature is going to help streamline how creators and brands plan out content. Now, how can you use it once it is released? Use it to track brand deals, schedule posts, or even set reminders for your conversations you want to have. The next is Instagram Blend. This feature is a feature I also like as well. If you're someone that you like to share your reels, if you see something funny, you want to share it to your friends, your family, people that you really love, this feature is for you. So right now, you can actually do Instagram Blend. What do I mean? You can now watch reels with your friends and family in real time. So this time around, you don't have to send it to them. You can now watch it with them. Why does this matter? This is going to boost community, conversation, interaction on Instagram. And you know, Instagram is all about communication, people being social with each other. That is why they are really pushing this feature. So how can you use it? You have to start using this feature with your friends and family. This is going to help increase your watch time and retention. So make sure to try it out. Next is Instagram blog post. You can now post content that only people in your community can access. I really love this because if you're a private person, you don't want anybody that is not following you or just any random person to see your content. I believe that you're going to love this feature because right now, if you post this content and you lock it, only people in your community, people that you allow, they're the only ones that can be able to see it. So you can have your privacy on Instagram. Why does this matter? This is great for membership, monetization, and also exclusive content. So how can you use it? You can offer behind the same content, early trials for like business owners. Maybe you have a new product that you want to launch. You can also use this for it. And also for coaches, you can use this to coach, especially during the lockdown. This feature was already there. People are going to use it the right way. This next one is mostly for social media managers, content creators. This feature is going to really help you. If you're someone that you have to report analytics of like managing someone's social media presence, you're going to love this feature. So this offers a cleaner way to share analytics and insights with the brands that you're working with. Why does this matter? This puts to an end all those clunky screenshots and reports. This is going to make it so easy, so professional, and really lovely to look at. You can use the tools to pull out your analytics and data and send it to your client, making everything so easy and professionally looking. Trust me, use social media managers. You know all those screenshots that we're always screenshotting, trying to make sure to put it together. All that ends right now because this feature is here to save the day. The 12th feature is AI tools for partnership ads. So this is going to help creators and brands to build better ads using these AI features. That means you can target more people. You can actually reach those people you are trying to reach with ads effortlessly. You don't have to stress the way we normally do it before. So I really believe that this AI is going to be a freaking game changer. So why does this matter? Collabs are going to become very much easier and strategic, and I'm loving it already. Now, how can you use this? You can let AI suggest ad formats, copy, or even the timing for maximum impact. That means You can now use AI to suggest the kind of format, the kind of copy, and also the time that you can be able to create this ad. So you can make more impact, reach the right people, and maybe generate revenue if you are all about maybe selling something to actually make money on Instagram. Now, finally, the last but not the least feature and update you need to know is timeline wipe. You're going to love this. If you're someone that you really want to like refresh your feed, you want to start seeing new things, or you want to like look at different things and pick the kind of content you want to consume, you're going to love this. So just like refreshing your FYP so that you can start afresh and start picking the kind of content you enjoy. And you know now, whenever you are consuming a particular kind of content, the algorithm is going to keep suggesting it for you. So you can actually do this timeline wipe to achieve this. Why does this matter? This is going to help you engage with the right people, engage with the kind of content that you really enjoy. So now that you have wiped your timeline, you are going to start focusing on the kind of content that you really enjoy, and it will help you focus on it because the algorithm will keep suggesting more of those content that you enjoy. So how can you use this? Wipe your timeline and start engaging, following, connecting with only people that create the kind of content that you enjoy. Focus on those niche and you're going to notice how your FYP is going to be filled with only content that are related to what you really like. So that brings us to the end of this video. You guys, this feature is an update. I believe that if you apply it, you take it serious and use it in the right way, in the way that it benefits you, you can be able to start going viral on Instagram, because you all have been complaining that Instagram is so difficult to grow on. But Instagram have finally like unleashed these features that are going to help you to start growing. So no more excuses. If you're someone that wants to grow on Instagram, this is the right time to start growing on Instagram. You can kick off with the Instagram trial reels that will make you go viral quickly, then follow suit with the rest of the features. Was this video helpful to you? If yes, leave me a comment and also let me know the features you're going to be trying out real soon. To be honest with you, I really want to know your guys' opinions on this, and let's chat in the comment section. Also, if you have any question on social media, you have any struggle on any social media platform, feel free to leave a comment asking any question. I might even create a video around it. You never know. Ask me any question. I'm going to be answering you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you never miss another helpful video like this. Until next time, I would like to see you in my next video. Bye.